So we got ourselves our first look at the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition. And this video is coming in here from Samsung Mobile. And it's actually highlighting one key feature. And that is the crease is a lot less on the Z Fold 6 Special Edition than it is on the Z Fold 6. So this user does go ahead and show all the way around the phone, kind of trying to highlight on that crease. And as you can see from someone who does own the Z Fold 6, that crease is almost nothing. Now, of course, he is using a white display here in the background, so, you know, different angles on different displays. Also, lighting is going to change some things as well. You know, this is not the every single scenario possible type of scenario here. This is a very certain scenario. So, for example, if you looked at it in different lighting, let's say you had sunlight behind you and it was blasting the phone, it would probably look a lot different, right? This is something we've seen many times from companies, especially companies, you know, that release foldable cell phones in China. They give good angles of the said cell phone. So it looks like the crease might not be as bad, but most of the time it's not bad, but it's, you know, pretty much what you expect, right? So again, you know, if he had like a video playing, I feel like this would be such a better test than in the Play Store. Because a video would have different colors on the screen, left, right, and center, and it would give more of a instance of the actual crease. So if we go back here, this is, you can see the crease right there. And again, is it better? Absolutely, right? It's better than the Z Fold 6. Hopefully this is a good thing to come for the Z Fold 7, and this will be, you know, a good factor that we're actually going to see a real change with the Z Fold 7. Again, hopefully, you know, we have to wait and see on that one with how, you know, Samsung's going to go about it. Even though they did apologize for the lack of innovation, hopefully this is a good step in a nice direction for them. And we'll see less of a crease. I still do not care about the crease that much. I really don't. At the end of the day, I have a Z Fold 6. I have a Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I love both devices, and the crease never is a problem for me. I've showed the device off to many of my friends, and every single time, there's not one single person who says, wow, man, there's a crease on this display. They kind of just look at it and say, wow, this is one of the most beautiful phones I've ever seen. That's kind of what the typical reaction to the phone is. And for me personally, again, I don't really even notice the actual crease. There used to be a problem with the old Z Fold devices where the crease would actually, it wouldn't mess up, but what it would do is it would not be as calibrated if you touch the area where the crease was. That has been fixed. It's a lot better now. So, again, for the most part, can't really complain about the crease, but just my cup of tea. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.